Just flashed our revision D on the old Silver Bullet here. She stayed the night with the Moose. They swapped some campfire stories about how to float like a Cadillac, sting like a bee. If the tune-up looks good today and she gets back to the shop with no leaks, this puppy's going home. So this car came to ZZP needing a bottom end. It surprisingly spun a bearing. Yeah, 43,000 miles. When we rebuilt the motor, we didn't really see anything that suggested why the motor spun a bearing. Got a forged bottom end in this. JE piston ZZP rod. Not that it needs a forged piston, but it sure is nice to have, especially if we're in there rebuilding. JE offers a really nice oversized piston that helps clean up your bore. And you can also bump the compression if you want. So this has the 9.9 to 1s in it. Did an XP cam, 150-pound spring, full stack intercooler, 3.0 pulley on pump gas. Topped all that off with the equalizer so it sounds real bad to the bone for a Regal. Perfect amount of passing power. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Give us a big like and a comment. Shout out to Big Mike for putting in all the editing on this rebuild. Shout out to Chris putting the motor together and doing all the machine work right here in house. Shout out to Ryan for the clean install. Shout out to Boosted Bo on the tune-up dialed. I think we got ourselves a pretty good little team, and we'd be happy to work on one of your cars. Don't forget, service request form on the bottom of the webpage. If you got yourself an old Buick or any of our other old platform cars, we'd love to help you get it back on the road.